Hello everyone, today's I'll show you how to earn 0.1 base ETH. Now I have 0.001 base on my wallet. First of all, we click on the browser button and search confidential.quest. Foreigners has all information clone is confidential foundation project. Connect your wallet. Copy the smart contract. Go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your Airdrop website. Connect your wallet. Then click Claim Token. Button click Confirm to their website. Go back to your website. Connect your wallet. And click Swap button. And click Swap button, wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0.1 base ETH. But just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.